Hi guys! All right, so this is Wednesday's reading video, and we're going to do two things in today's reading lesson. We're going to read the Scholastic News magazine together, and then you're going to complete the back page in a Google form, and that's it. So you will find the Scholastic News in your Scholastic News envelope, and the packet, the one that we're going to work with today is called Forest Helpers. This is what the cover looks like. All right, I'm going to share my screen so we can read this together and we'll get started. All right, so looking at the cover, that is an adorable little animal on the cover. Who thinks they can point to the title? Take a second to point to the title. Yep, the letters in orange. Forest Helpers is the title of this magazine. Let's read the white words down here. Have you heard of tapers? And here is how you pronounce that word. So you say tapers. Let's read it one more time. Have you heard of tapers? These animals have a big job. They help plants grow in the rainforest. What's the headline? Usually the headline on these magazines is way up here, but what's the headline in this magazine? Yeah, it's these white letters right here, Rainforest Helpers. Tapers live in the rainforest. They help the forest grow. Let's read the As You Read box. Think about how tapers help the rainforest. What's the heading here? So the headline is up here, but what's the heading of this section? Yeah, it's these orange words right here. Hungry, hungry tapers. What do you think that means? Hungry, hungry tapers. What are we going to learn about in this section? Maybe what they want to eat or how much they eat. Let's read and find out. A baby tapir and its mom stroll through the rainforest. They are so hungry. They munch on twigs and leaves. They munch on fruit too. The fruit has seeds in it. The seeds go through their bodies and end up in their poop. New plants grow from the seeds. That's a big help to the rainforest. So in this section, there are two bold words, those extra dark, thicker black words. The first one is rainforest, and the second one is seeds. Now, I know in our 4-1s, we have talked a lot about seeds, so I'm not going to click on that because I think you guys know what that is. But I am going to click on the rainforest, and hopefully my computer doesn't take too long to bring it up. One thing I was noticing with this magazine was that it was set up more like a newspaper rather than our last magazine was kind of sectioned off by animal. This one has columns. Almost there. I'm gonna X out of that. It's taking too long. All right. The rainforest, though, you might be able to click on it where you are, but the rainforest is a section in on different continents, and it's usually wet, and there's a lot of greenery. So there's a lot of trees, and there's a lot of growth under the trees with bushes and lots of moss and different grass. So the rainforest is also very wet, like I said. So if you're not sure of the rainforest or where they are, you can definitely click there. All right, let's move on to the next heading. Helping the forest grow. So the beginning, the cover in those white words said that tapers help the forest grow. We just learned that the fruit that they eat has seeds in it, and it ends up in their poop, and then new plants grow. I wonder if there's other ways that they help. Let's see. Tapirs eat a lot of fruit. They have many different kinds of seeds in their bellies. They walk all around the rainforest. They drop poop in different places. All kinds of trees and plants sprout up from the poop. They grow in all the places where the tapirs walked and pooped. Huh. Tapirs in trouble. But tapirs have a big problem. People are cutting down the forests where tapirs live. They cut down fruit trees to build farms and roads. Tapirs can't always find enough to eat. Now, some kinds of tapirs are endangered. There aren't many of them left in the world. So I'm looking at that bold word, endangered. I could click on it, but let's listen to the next sentence and I bet we can figure out what it means. There aren't many of them left in the world. So what do you think endangered means? Yeah, it means that the number of tapirs in the world is really low, that they might not live much longer because there are not many left in the world. Okay. So a lot of animals that become endangered, sometimes we can help them get off of the endangered list by having them in zoos, and they can have babies in zoos where the babies can live. So if you want more information about what endangered means there, but this sentence, last sentence, gives us a really good definition in the context, so in the words. All right, the next section, tapirs need our help. What's the good news? People are working to make laws that protect the forest. That would give tapirs a safe place to live and eat. The rainforest gives tapirs food to eat. The tapirs help the rainforest grow. They need each other. All right, Carrie Acer is the author who wrote this whole article. Here you can watch a video. Let's read this part over here. Go tapirs go. How do tapirs help the rainforest? 1, they eat fruits. These are palm fruits. 2, they walk around the rainforest and poop. 3, new plants grow from seeds in the poop. Okay, so the next section is to fill out this back page, but in Google Classroom. So I'm gonna go to our classwork and I'm gonna go to Wednesday. This is where the Google form is in Google Classroom, or you can click on the day, Wednesday, if you're going off the daily sheet. There's a link to that Google form right in the sheet. So if you can't find it on Google Classroom, you can use the link. And there's the link to writing here. Here will be the link to the video. And then here is the link to the Google form. And what I'd like you to do is complete the Google form, and then you're done with reading for today. All right, I'm gonna stop sharing because it's taking a while. So if you have any questions, let us know. If things don't work, let us know. I'll make sure the settings are set correctly. And other than that, I hope you enjoy learning about tapirs. Bye, guys.